Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ayan, rumarampa si Bakla early in the morning. Of course, from Hong Kong, nag-travel ako by ferry going here to Macau. Nandito pa tayo ngayon sa Macau. Ayan, magro-room around si Bakla. And one of the places that I really wanted to go is the Casino Lisboa. Ayan guys, kasi nakita ko talaga ever since yung structure ng building ng Casino Lisboa. It's very, very amazing nung nakita ko yung structure. Tapos sabi ko sa sarili ko na in my lifetime, I really wanted to see that in person kasi na-amaze talaga ako. Para talaga siyang para siyang, alam mo yung ang laki-laking grandiosa na palasyo. Yan talaga guys, ang Grand Lisboa. Of course, ito talagang gusto ko puntahan dito sa Macau. You know why? Because really, I'm very amazed with yung struktura niya. Ang ganda talaga guys. Amazing. Yes guys, ang Grand Lisboa is a 47th floor, 261 meter tall high-rise building. It is owned by Sociedade de Turismo y Diversos de Macau. And of course, the design team who made the building possible is by Hong Kong architects, si Dennis Lau and Nang Chun Man. With the interiors created by Quan Chu, design principal of KZA International. Yes, mga amigos at amigas, ang ganda talaga ng struktura niya. O, tignan ninyo, parang talagang para talagang grandiose. Kaya mga amigos at amigas, hindi ako papayag na hindi ako pumunta sa building na ito, of course, guys, para makita ko talaga ito in person because it was really a great opportunity for me to be able to come here to Macau and of course, see this Grand Lisboa. Ayan, naglalakad na si Bakla sa street ng Macau, of course. Si Judea kung where's the Casino Lisboa? Ayan, may ganyan-ganyan. Tik, 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 tik. Bago kayo mag-cross the streets. Ayan, guys. Ayan, buti na ito sa gilid to. Hindi na sumama si Jia. Biglang tumawit ang Bakla. Hindi na pa-follow ng protocol. Ano ba yan?
I'm not following the rules.
Ayan, buti na lang sa may gilid lang yun. Doon sa may area na wala masyadong car. Ayan, tumawid si Bakla. Hindi na pa-follow ng protocol. Bakla, mahuli ka dyan.
It's very nice. Of the Taigorarego. I'm here in Macau, guys. Amazing place. Ayan, maraming alahas din dito, guys, for sale. Ano ba yan tumutunog? Hinuhuli na yata ang Bakla kasi tumawid.
Ayan mga amigos, amigas, sa observation ko, ang dami talaga dito mga alahas na nagbebenta, guys. Ang dami mga golds. Pero guys, alam mo, tinanong ako sa may pulis kanina kung where's the Grand Lisboa? Ang gwapo naman niya, guys. Ang gwapo talaga ng pulis. Sino ba ito babae? Sunod-sunod sa akin. Mauna ka na nga. Ano ba yan?
Si Parulia. Sana si Parulia kung Judea. Ano mga Judea si Parulia, loko.
Pinauna ko na si Mrs. Parulia. Si Mrs. Parulia, sunod sa akin. Kanina pa, ewan ko kung saan din siya pupunta. Kung saan yata ako pupunta, doon din ang puntahan niya. Kaya pinauna ko na siya. Ayan. Kaya mga amigos si amigas, isang tip, pag nagta-travel kayo abroad all by yourself, of course, kailangan maging cautious kayo sa mga palipaligid ninyo. Of course, as what we all know, be cautious lang talaga, especially sa mga bad people, bad elements. Malalaman naman yan sa instinct ninyo kung masama ba siya or what or whatever. Ganon na nga eksena, guys. Of course, careful kayo sa mga gamit niyo and whatever. And just continue on rampa and of course, express yourself and be very beautiful and feel beautiful. That's the most important thing. Kahit mawala ng gamit ninyo, feel beautiful pa rin. Feel beautiful talaga all the time, guys. Ganun.
Huwag kakalilmari ko mo loka. Takiya. Pwede ka admira ng Grand Casino. This is actually what I'm seeing lang. Kanina. Oh my God.
Ayan guys, rampa na rampa si Bakla. Wala talaga pakialam kasi gusto niya makita ang Lisboa, Grand Lisboa. Yun yung building at saka yung napakagandang maliwanag na maliwanag. Ayan, as you can see guys, ang dami mga golds. Ang dami talaga mga golds dito sa Macau. Ang laki-laki ng mga golds nila. Amazing, ang yaman. O, ayan, nakikita ko na guys. Wow!
Oh my God, I'm here now. What a beautiful place.
I'm speechless, guys. Ang ganda. Amazing. Parang mga gold sa nakikita ko dito. Nag-splendor. Sparkling golds. And of course, different kinds of shades and colors. Pag natatama ng ilaw, natatama ng sunlight, of course, nagre-reflect talaga siya. Amazing. Ang galing talaga ng arkitekto gumawa dito. It's very one of a kind. Iba siya. Ibang idea niya. It's very huge. It's very grandiosa. At saka very amazing to see talaga. Of course, ang reflection sa sun. Ayan, nagkikintap-kintap ang mga paligid niya. Ang ganda talaga kaya. It's amazing. And I think pag nighttime, this is much more beautiful. Pag gabi, kasi iilaw talaga ito lahat. Amazing place to visit in. Kaya guys, this is really what I came here for in Macau. Ito is instructura ang gusto ko makita talaga kasi nakikita ko ito before sa mga pictures, and I told myself that one of these days or one of places that I really wanted to visit is this place. Kung nakita ko ito, I'm really amazed sa photo. Now I'm here, nakikita ko siya in person. It's very amazing. I'm speechless with the design, of course. Something outrageous, something different. Ang design niya para siyang big kalabasa na made of gold. Ayan o ang kalabasa ni Judea. As you can see guys, para may corona, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano ba siya, kalabasa na corona or whatever. Pero very very grandiosa ang outcome niya guys. Ang designer, kudos talaga. Very very, you know, very artistic side ng form of infrastructure na ginawa niya. Pero guys, sa mga locals ito, as you can see, they always passes by this place. So it's a normal thing for them to see this place. Pero sa mga mahilig sa art and fashion, this is really something, you know, unique in the eye of this fashion enthusiast. Goa Casino, guys. Amazing. Nag-spark siya guys pag matamaan siya ng araw, different directions. Ayun mga cuttings na mga framings and everything. Ayan o, nag-spark siya guys. Ang ganda. Well, mga amigos and amigas, it's you know, it's a happy experience on my part that I was able to come and visit this place, of course, because just as I said a while ago that I'm always looking at this picture in the photo or in magazines and on the internet. Now that I am here, I am really very happy, and I have this great privilege to come to this place and experience and to see this beautiful structure na I really wanted. Yes guys, I'm so amazed because as what you all know that Macau is considered as the Las Vegas of Asia. Of course guys, as you can see, ang dami talaga dito pupunta. Of course, they're going to, you know, visit the place to experience the lifestyles of those people who are really into gambling and playing. Ako wala akong ganyan kasi hindi naman ako bilyonaryo para maglaro sa mga casinos. But I came here just to see the place. And of course, I came here just to, you know, see all those beautiful places that I see on pictures. And I'm really very amazed. Kaya guys, if you really wanted to travel to Macau, just try to visit this place, the Grand Lisboa. It's very amazing para sa mga pictorials inyo. And of course, you know, the grand ambience, of course, of those people who are really into, you know, playing in the casinos and everything. Just to travel here and, you know, have these pictorials taken with all of these great, fabulous, big, high-rises buildings. Ayan, happy si Judea. Pictorials dito. Anyway, guys, it's medyo mainit pero malamig ang hangin. As you can see, guys, ang taas-taas pala niya, guys. Ang taas-taas ng Grand Lisboa Casino and Hotel. Ayan, ang dami din mga maliliit na hotels dito. Of course, maganda ito pag gabi. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pag umilaw ito pag nighttime, umiilaw talaga siya. Kumikitita na mga places para talaga sa mga fairies at sa mga fantasies elemento ang mga eksena dito pag night time. Sana nag-gown ako tapos takbo ako dito pag night time. Parang fairy ang drama ko. Ano ba talaga ako? Fairy or tao? Yes, mga amigos and amigas, one of the trivia is the Grand Lisboa is the tallest building in Macau and the most distinctive part of its skyline. The boldly sculpted Grand Lisboa is the antithesis of the Vineyard Box template that dominate contemporary casino development. That rich and sensual form of the tower embodies the daring and flamboyant exuberance of modern Macau. And guys, sabi ko sa inyo, napakapabulosa para ng building na ito, guys. Napakapabulosa, napakagrandiosa. Of course, for the rich and famous. Dapat nandun din ako, guys, no? One of them. Anyway, I'm one of them. Hoy, bakla, gumisikaw ka na mag-emote-emote dyan. Umuwi ka ng labada mo, naghihintay sa Pilipinas. Pero anyway, guys, very amazing talaga. Kidding aside, it's a must to, visit this place because of course, you can do the pictorial thing here. Napakaganda for Instagram, TikToks, and of course, Facebook for profile pictures and everything. It's very amazing to have your pictorials taken here para talaga kayo nasa ibang place, outrageous place. As you can see right now, sa video pa lang na-amaze na kayo kasi it's very huge, it's very big. Ayun, oh. It's look like a crown. Ayan, oh, para kang nanalo ng yung mga crown ng mga princesses, mga royals and everything. Ang ganda ng amazing idea of the architect who really make it a point that they really make this masterpiece here in a beautiful Macau. Yes, mga amigas, hindi talaga papayag pa, hindi ko lalapitan ito at mahawakan ko siya because as you all know, this is one of the things that I really make it a point that I will visit this place. Of course, guys, because I really wanted to see this infrastructure. Ayan, nandito lang ako ngayon and I'm so happy. Ayan, nakikita ko mga gold trimmings and everything. Ayan, as you can see, guys, pahawak-hawak si bakla, hawak-hawak siya, tinignan niya mga gold trimmings. Wow, very amazing ideas. Ayan, well, I'm really here and I'm really very grateful that I have the chance and travel, to really make it a point to visit this place that I'm only seeing on postcards and of course on internet. And I'm very happy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Judas Touch, and hope that you will have a great time and enjoy life because life is too short. You can never know what will happen tomorrow, so make it a point that always live for now, not for tomorrow, because to live, is a great opportunity for us, to explore the world. That is what's the meaning of living. Yes, of course, guys, dapat talaga in our lives you need to explore the world and see the beautiful colors that it has to offer.
Wow!
Ayan, as you can see, guys, pag nighttime dito sa Lisboa, ang ganda talaga, guys, ang Grand Lisboa. As you can see, guys, different colors, amazing colors. Ma-amaze ka talaga sa mga colorful thing para talaga siya. You are in a fantasy world, a very beautiful world of different colors. And at the same time, guys, ma-appreciate niya mga buildings with different colors talaga. Lalo na pag nighttime, as you can see right now, it's very beautiful, it's very amazing. Ang ganda talaga for pictorial purposes and everything. There are a lot of people are walking right now and seeing all of these beautiful colors and mga buildings. Amazing talaga place to visit in. Exactly, guys, this is what I came here for. I came here for because I really wanted to experience, of course, this nightlife here in Macau. As you can see, guys, the Lisboa is one of the things that I really came here for. Ang ganda, this is one of a kind, outrageous building that, I'm very grateful that I have the opportunity to see this in person. As you can see right now, wow, it's very beautiful, it's very lovely, amazing, outrageous, and I can say that this is one of the best places that I've ever been.